Let's put together a super simple arpeggio progression. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Well, we love arpeggios on piano, so let's put together 4 chords that sound really great in a really simple progression today. Let's start in A minor and we'll use the very smallest arpeggio that we can create between our hands. So let's play here on A, C, E, A, C, E. Let's just get the hang of stepping through those notes, going from the bottom, right hand, bottom again, on the A minor pattern, A, C, E. Then we can float that hand over to the top A there. When you feel ready, bring it over and keep repeating. Now let's extend our progression now to a pinky down the bottom and extend to a D and an F here. D and F here, over to the A again. Finger 2, thumb, thumb, middle finger. Before we play our bottom note, let's step it up to the B there. E and G sharp, B, E and G sharp, B at the top. All again. A, D, F. And then A, C, E to finish. Float over to the A. Well, that's a little progression in its very simplest form, and over the next few weeks, join me on a Monday for some special arpeggios videos to keep extending these skills. Happy music making.